Welcome to the Scibids demo. This video will provide you with an overview of Scibids AI and how to activate it for your programmatic campaigns accessed through your DSP. To start, let's take a look at the Scibids user interface. In this video, we're going to show you how to navigate the Scibids UI and the impact it has on your DSP using three screens: Scibids UI, DV360 before Scibids, and DV360 after Scibids. Welcome to the Scibids UI. It gathers campaigns from all the DSPs you have given Scibids access to. Let's take a look at a DV360 campaign, for example. As you can see, the UI displays basic info on the I/O, such as its media cost, its fit score that indicates how fit it is to be optimized by Scibids. Click on the Add button on the right of the screen to plug Scibids onto this I/O. Before that, let's take a look at your campaign in DV before the application of Scibids. This is a typical DV360 I/O. At the line item, we can see bid strategy set on minimized CPC, fixed budget, pacing set to ASAP, and the frequency cap. Going into details of the line item, we can see viewability is set to 60% or greater, geo and time parting are set to typical settings, and other important constraints such as budget, pacing, max CPM, max frequency, and bid strategy. Looking at the partner cost, we can see 0% at the media fee 2 line. Looking at the insertion order level, we can see the standard bid strategy and frequency settings. Now let's go back to the UI and see how to set Scibids AI live for this campaign. Once you have clicked on Add to the right, you will then start to fill out a funnel with the information needed by Scibids AI in order to optimize your campaign. It takes 4 main steps, the first one being the core setup. The 3 first fields, budget type, business model, and margin constraint, concern the revenue model of your campaign and are automatically filled with the setup observed by Scibids in your DSP. You are then invited to indicate your main KPI and target, which is optional. You are also asked the source of truth regarding the attribution of your campaign. Finally, you can add a maximum and a minimum CPM target that the algorithm will need to respect. Because you have chosen the CPA KPI, an additional step appears asking you to indicate the pixels of your campaign. Here, you will tell the Scibids AI which pixels you're basing your results on. Since it's connected to your DSP, you must add a pixel that already exists for your advertiser. In step 1, you'll indicate to the algorithm which are the pixels that correspond to your main KPI. You can add as many steps as you want to describe your conversion funnel. If we take an example of a funnel with a landing page, a cart, and sales, step 1 would be sales, step 2 would be cart, and step 3 would be your landing page. We are now in other important metrics. You're invited to fill the optional viewability constraint you may have, and also the max frequency cap you need the AI to respect on your campaign. Next step is authorized overwritings. That's where you'll choose what can be overwritten or not by the Scibids AI. There are 6 different overwritings available. Viewability settings, which will be automatically authorized if you've indicated the viewability constraint in the previous step. Budget distribution between line item, time parting, fold position, creative activity status, and automatic deletion of invalid URLs, placements, and audiences. Once you've filled these steps, a final step is required to confirm your selection. If everything looks good, then you can validate, and Scibids AI will push its models just a few hours later. Now let's go back to our DV360 campaign to see what's happened a few days later. Firstly, looking at some campaign metrics, we can see that from the day we plugged, the CPC has improved a lot. Aside from this, nothing has changed. Looking at the line items, we can see that the bid price changed to meet or beat custom impression value. The budget changed to unlimited, the pacing remained at ASAP, and the frequency also changed to unlimited. At the line item details, we can see that the viewability settings, active view, has changed according to what has been filled in the UI. The geo was split by regions, and the day and time has been split by time slots. As seen on the previous screen, the budget and pacing, bid strategy, and frequency cap has also been changed. Finally, Scibids AI has added its fee at the media fee 2 level. If we go back to the I/O details, we can see that nothing's changed except the optimization from automated bid and budget to control bid and budget at the line item level, and the frequency cap respecting what has been filled in the UI. As you can see, Scibids AI pushed a lot of models into the DSP whilst respecting the settings and constraints which have been made in the UI. That's how Scibids AI works at scale across all your campaigns and DSPs. Thank you for watching.